Breaking news, this is regarding the farmers' Delhi Chalo march as capital braces for crippling traffic jams. Chaos erupts at Shambhu border. Farmers break barricades at the Shambhu border, and the Haryana government has suspended internet in Ambala or near the Shambhu border. Internet suspended in Ambala, and farmers are demanding legal MSP guarantee. So that's the latest that is coming in as far as the farmers' Delhi Chalo protest is concerned. Internet has been suspended in Ambala, keeping in mind the protest, and in fact, farmers have broken the barricades at the Shambhu border. Remember, there is multiple layer of security at the Shambhu border, keeping in mind these protests. But we're learning that the farmers have broken these barricades, as you can see in the visuals on your screens right now. And there's a lot of chaos that has erupted at the Shambhu border. There is a face-off between the farmers and the security personnel present over there. My colleague Tejshri is now bringing us the latest updates on the farmers' protest. Tejshri, over to you.
माइक ऑन कर लिया
Well, yes, and in fact, what we are getting to know is that minor tear gas shells were also used here. You can see that the farmers are trying to cross this particular barricade, this particular level of barricading that's been placed over here. And it's not just the iron net, you can see there's also a wall that's been installed, that's been constructed over here so that the farmers could not cross this particular layer. However, they've already crossed the 3 layers. First layer was of the barricading, second layer was second layers were the nails that were installed on the roads, and then was the third layer, and this is in fact the fourth layer. And now the police is continuously making the announcement that the farmers should head back towards their particular protest site, that is towards the Punjab. And in fact, this is the Shambhu border, which is the intersection of Punjab and Haryana. And if they cross this particular border, they will be moving towards Haryana and then towards the national capital. In fact, previous time we saw that how the condition and the situation went critical. Also there, the bullets were fired, tear gas shells were fired last time, and that is why, keeping all these things in mind, huge paramilitary forces, heavy police deployment is being made, and not just in this particular lane, but in that particular lane also, heavy police is being deployed. And in fact, the major talking point over is that the farmers have been saying, that there have been multiple talks that were held, but now, not only just today, but they will be continuing this particular march tomorrow as well. And in fact, tomorrow also, a group of 100 farmers will be moving towards the Shambhu border, and in fact, this will continue the entire week. And still, you see that the farmers are trying to cross this particular net, this particular net, also the iron net that's been built over here. And now, tear gas shells are being fired, and this particular also the one of the barricading that was placed over here, but the farmers are taking it away with them, and the barricadings are being crossed by the barricades. And now this particular iron net, they're also trying to break this. One of the farmer also tried to climb over this particular net, but somehow police managed to get him down. And in fact, the loudspeakers are also installed, and the police is making continuous announcement that the farmers should move back, and also to calm down the farmers. The kirtan was played over here, and also we would like to show you the visuals to my left hand side. And in fact, there you can see that how not just at this road, but on the opposite side of the road also, on the intersection point, that how the paramilitary forces are being deployed. And in fact, there you can see that the CRPF, there again the police is keeping a close watch as to if what the farmers can move from that side also. And in fact, below also, if they cross the canal, there also proper security arrangements have been made. So you see, all in all, it seems like this, as of now, the situation is under control. The situation is not escalating as of now because the security arrangement that they have made, and also the farmers have decided that they will be carrying out this protest as a peaceful protest, and they will be going in number of hundreds. So today 100 farmers went, tomorrow 100 farmers, and day after tomorrow, and so on. They will be continuing. But what they have been demanding to the government is that MSP, the farm, and also they are talking about the farm loans that should be waived off. So these are the major demands that they are asking, and in fact, they will be sitting here at the protest site for the next coming days, and in fact, you see they are taking away all these barricades that were installed over here. They were these are all the level of barricadings, and in fact, I would also like to take you to this side and show that how these wires, these iron wires that were installed, they all have been broken over here, and now farmers are in confrontation with the cops. These were the iron, these wires that were installed, and now the farmers are in the confrontation with the cops. They are standing adamant over here, arguing with the cops, and cops repeating that they do not have the permission to move towards Haryana and then to the national capital. And also important to note is that the internet has been suspended in the Ambala district, and here also from where we are reporting, here also the internet is slowed down. So all in all, it seems like yes, the administration is trying to control the situation, but also on the other hand, the farmers are adamant on their demands. It seems like the protest will continue. Back to you.
All right, Tejshri, thank you so much for getting us all those details right from the ground. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story. As of now, we're shifting focus. A major controversy has erupted in